It's a nice golden day in my golden state. I got the golden grip and I'm holding weight. I keep it golden state. If I wanna rock a nice hat, I turn the cat back and let them know that's a snapback. We be getting down out here and that's a fact, Jack. Same shit every day, I think I'm having flashbacks. Cali Kush got the kid blown, I keep a fat sack. Got a little asthma, but I still attack. Beats on GarageBand, yes sir, I'm back, man. The kid you used to laugh at for being broke, but now I got fat cash. I'm so dope. Give me 5 minutes and a pen, I'll get it. And when the beat killed, you could tell them I did it. Cause one day I'ma change, but until then, just let me do my thing. Cause I'm living the way I wanna, day by day and dollar after dollar. Like yada yada, who got the bottle? Pass it my way and ease off the throttle. Hit the highway, put the pilot on auto. Turn the bass high, make that motherfucker wobble. Knock a dime model till she a 9 with a waddle. Now I'm on some funny shit, fill a money clip. Used to be on some bummy shit until I hit a lid. Don't try to play me cause I ain't no bitch. Intentions to get rich, but fuck going public. Cook, crack and bubble it, nah, I'm on some otherish. So listen up, the homie Lee is dope as fuck. Plus the both of us didn't just fall the fuck off the ledge truck. Paper thugs get shredded up, I'm like a super soaker when I wet them up. Making hella noise like chicken butt. For them fuck boys, dipshits and dumb sluts. Hold up, this dude said I'm so nuts cause I rolled 2 blunts and smoked them both up. Like the BEST and all the rest be all on my testes. So never test me cause I freshly eat an MC like a beast on some fresh meat. This dude is dead meat, my brother got the red beam, man I can't miss, never have homie. I see the piss leaking out Japan slowly. AD be the sickest and I'm coming this Christmas. So fuck a wish list, I'm filling out a hit list. For them kids pecking at my bread like some pigeons. Bitches on my dick tip because I get them digits. And I ain't talking phone numbers, I mean the dividends. And I ain't talking low numbers, I mean the big chip.